It was a typical Saturday morning when I decided to dive into my Instagram feed, eager to share my latest adventure. I had just returned from a breathtaking hike, and my camera was bursting with stunning photos. But as I attempted to post my first image, a message popped up that felt like a slap in the face. We limit how often you can do certain things. My heart sank. I had heard whispers about this error from friends, but I never imagined it would happen to me. Determined to resolve the issue, I began my research. I quickly learned that Instagram imposes limits to prevent spammy behavior, which meant I had likely exceeded my posting frequency. It was frustrating, especially since I had been careful not to overdo it. I discovered that the platform often restricts users who engage in rapid following, unfollowing, or excessive liking, activities I had avoided. The first step I took was to take a break. I logged off for a few hours, hoping that time would reset whatever algorithm had flagged my account. When I returned, I cautiously attempted to like a few posts, but the error still loomed. Next, I delved into the settings, ensuring my account was in good standing and that I hadn't violated any community guidelines. After a few days of patience and minimal activity, I finally noticed a change. I cautiously attempted to post again, and to my relief, the photo uploaded without a hitch. The experience taught me valuable lessons about moderation. To avoid future occurrences, I now schedule my posts and limit my interactions to prevent triggering those pesky restrictions again. In the end, overcoming that error not only restored my access, but also deepened my understanding of Instagram's inner workings, transforming a moment of frustration into a learning opportunity.